I really hate this fucking phone. It stops recording whenever it feels like it and then deletes the video. Yeah, fucking Motorola. All of its RAM goes on copying all your fucking details and all your information to send to America and Israel. Fucking scum genocidal cunts. So yeah, the rain started again just now and it's wintry showers and it is bloody bitterly cold. But I've got my extra old tarp, which I was talking about, but the video deleted itself. The original one, I say old, it's only about 2-3 months old, is very thin compared to the new one. It's probably half the thickness, but it does the job. It keeps the wind and rain out. And at some point, I need to get out of bed. And see, if I gas, I could do a little cooker there, heat some water up for coffee, and stay in my hammock. That would be the benefit of having gas. But no, I can guarantee I'd set fire to the place. I prefer burning wood, even though it's all going to be soaked. I've got a cardboard box and a couple of bits of cardboard, so I can use that to get it going. I can find there's always dry wood somewhere. You might have to break it off a tree, some standing dead wood, but yeah. I might get up in a bit and do some coffee, just so I can get back into bed. Yeah, I hate this phone. It basically only works. I pushed the button for the torch 5 times before it finally actually came on. Yeah, it's a piece of shit phone. And I've actually had it now about 3 months, and honestly, I would not lament it breaking. I really would not. It would just give me an excuse to go and buy a chinky phone, because this one is just crap. The only benefit to this phone is that it actually works with the drone, which I've only used once, because it actually records video footage from the drone, whereas my Chinese phone didn't. But then that Chinese phone was 3 years old, I think. I think it was 3 years old. The TLC. Other than that, it worked bloody great. Okay. Water, really dehydrated.